Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart virtually with Vista Unified School District, the after-school programs. And this was my 4th month going there in a row for this school year, so it's just been an awesome journey. Everyone just really touched my heart. After every assembly, we've had a Q&A with some of the students sharing their heart about something that inspired them, whether it was the hip-hop songs or some of the inspirational videos that we played with students their age that may have been born differently, that still chose to show kindness to themselves and others. Very, very inspiring. And really just kind of understanding the message that they really took it to heart to know that even at a young age they can make a difference. And so for this final capstone presentation for today's virtual assembly, we focused on bullying, but more importantly looking at someone's heart first before anything else, right? That we see someone for their heart before anything, right? See them as a human being. And this built on what we spoke on with positivity, with leadership, with diversity, took it up another level to really hone in on the heart element. And so our heart is big as our fist, that if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? The peace sign, one finger being ourself, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. And also 2, because in just 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, 2 seconds, what we say or do can uplift somebody higher than the clouds, stay on their heart positively for the rest of their lives, or it can destroy someone, right? By what we say and what we do through our actions, through our words. And so to understand that it just takes 2 seconds to change a life forever is huge, right? And for us to also know that no matter what we've gone through or are going to go through or are going through, that hurt people who hurt people, the biggest reason that we see bullying happen is that we're just trying to push that pain onto someone else, that we can turn that into healed people who heal people, right? And both are choices. And it's not always easy to choose either, but to have the courage to step into that, to know that we can look past somebody for their outward appearance and really look at them for who they are on the inside, treat them just like we treat our own best friend. That takes a lot of strength, right? And to show kindness many times takes more strength than it does to show violence or to show hatred. The one prop that I bring in is a gift from a school that I spoke at years ago, and on the other side it says, one kind word can change someone's entire day. One kind word can change someone's entire day. And I'm a firm believer that even one kind word, those 2 seconds, right, can change someone's entire life, maybe even save a life, which is why it's so imperative that we put this into practice. The need is beyond there, right? So many of the assemblies I do where I get a bracelet from students saying that I touched their heart. I have thousands of them. This is one of my bags right here. They just came from people that said, hey, Mr. Peace, what you said touched my heart. And if I can do that in under an hour in today's program or over the last couple months, the couple hours that I've had with the students here in California, then think about the difference we can make in people's lives over the rest of the school year, going into the summer and beyond, if we just keep our heart open to love. So thank you so much, everyone, for touching my heart this past school year. Hope to see you again in person in the future, if not virtually. Have a great rest of the school year, great summertime, and keep just shining your light, keep shining your hearts. You guys are beautiful. Never forget your miracles, too. We always keep talking about the M on our hands, like I have on my shirt here, too. Miracle, M for miracle, W for worthy, worthy of love to give it and receive it. With all that said, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button that you'll see pop up on the screen here. Feel free to look through the inspirational playlist of some great motivational videos, and visit my website, mrpeace.org, via the link over here to track my journey as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.